I grew up going there. Ooh.
Yeah, you got to respect the lightning threat, especially those pop-up storms. You think, okay, it's farther in the distance, but occasionally they pop up right on top of you.
Yep.
You know, I worked with a meteorologist who one time said some of these storms, it's like popcorn.
Yeah.
You know one's going to go at some point. You just don't know which kernel it's going to be.
Yeah, exactly. Whack-a-mole, trying to get them all to pop back down. Let's take a look at what's happening out there so far this morning. No storms to worry about. Calm conditions in Goldsboro. It is warm. It is muggy. 78 degrees the temperature right now. Southern coastal plain a little steamier than other spots across central North Carolina, although it's plenty muggy in the Triangle. 76 degrees from Carter-Finley Stadium. Clear skies overhead. We're going to see a nice sunrise there within the next 90 minutes. And temperatures will warm up quickly once that sun comes up. Here we go again. 76 in Raleigh and in Durham. A little cooler in Chapel Hill at 73, but it's warm and steamy everywhere. 71 degrees, one of the cool spots across all of central North Carolina. That's your current temperature in Pittsboro at 79 degrees in Holly Springs. Also 79 in Fayetteville, 80 on Fort Bragg, and 82 degrees, our warm spot again this morning in Grays Creek. Our dog of the day is Buddy. Thank you to Buddy's human robber for sharing that picture of Buddy and his shadow. Temperatures are going to heat up, so another day to exercise caution if you're trying to get your furry friends out for a little bit of exercise. This morning's the best time to do it. It's not comfortable, but it's the best you're going to get because we'll be around or above 90 by noon, into the mid-90s for highs this afternoon. A chance for a few spotty thunderstorms by late this afternoon and into this evening, but the better chance is going to start heading our way overnight, and it's going to rain at some point on you tomorrow. Not an all-day washout, but it's still going to be a rainy weather pattern that'll crack the heat wave tomorrow. But not yet today. Temperatures around or above 90 already by lunchtime, and we will keep warming up from there. Mid to upper 90s across most of central North Carolina by this afternoon. It'll be breezy, which helps to reduce the impact of the heat index, helps to kind of reduce the humidity a little bit, but it's still going to be muggy enough for it to feel like near or above 100 degrees in the Triangle and getting closer to 105 for the Sandhills and the coastal plain. But for the first time in a while, we don't have any heat advisories across central North Carolina today because these heat index values staying just below the criteria for that. You still need to be careful, though, in that heat and humidity. Our storm chance, again, is going to remain limited for most of the day, but we see a better chance beginning to head our way this evening, especially for the northern half of central North Carolina into tonight. Because it's going to be overnight, our severe weather potential is going to be limited. Not zero, but limited. We'll start off the day with some showers tomorrow morning. A better chance of rain, again, on the way for everybody as we head through tomorrow, especially from midday through the afternoon and into the evening. Some locally heavy downpours, and we'll be on the lookout for the potential of some localized flooding if too much rain falls in a short amount of time, and still some lingering rain showers out there by late tomorrow evening into tomorrow night, but those rain chances will diminish on Wednesday. Our severe weather threat is going to remain limited, but not zero. Basically to the south of the Triangle and points east, that's where you're going to have the better mix of ingredients for maybe a couple stronger storms by tomorrow afternoon because you'll have a little more time to heat up. In the Triangle, we're going to hit the low 80s for highs, which isn't quite hot enough to really boost that severe weather threat, but it's something we'll watch just in case. Mid-80s on Wednesday once we start to see some breaks in the cloud cover, an early morning shower or two, and then dry weather for the rest of the week and over the weekend with temperatures either near or slightly below average, and overnight low temperatures dropping down to the mid-60s with a nice little break from the worst of the humidity headed our way. But we've got to get through a hot day today and a stormy day tomorrow before that settles in. 4:54 right now. Let's do a quick